Heal your varicose veins with a mix of aloe vera, carrot and apple cider vinegar. A lot of people in the world suffer from this type of health problem. Well, yes, nobody is safe and it can be caused by many different reasons and factors. This health problem is really frustrating for everyone, both as an aesthetic and health problem. First, you should know that this condition can be caused by many different reasons and risk factors. These are the most common causes and reasons for varicose veins: aging problem, lack of physical activity, genetics, movement restrictions, hormonal changes in the human body. But you shouldn't be worried, because there are natural homemade remedies to fight against the causes of varicose veins and to put their symptoms at minimum. In this post we are going to show you how to make the best homemade remedy for varicose veins. This homemade remedy is effective, useful and extremely beneficial in treating varicose veins. All you need is aloe vera, carrot and apple cider vinegar. Just follow the simple instructions below and you are good to go. As we mentioned before, this homemade remedy is very simple to make and it's made from easy available ingredients which you can get from the local health store or the local supermarket. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of chopped carrots, 1/2 cup of aloe vera, apple cider vinegar. Directions: here's what you need to do. You need to add the carrots and the cup of aloe vera into a blender. Mix them well, and while it's blending you need to add some apple cider vinegar to the mixture until you get nice and homogeneous mixture. Make sure this mixture as thick as a cream. How to use it? Here's what you need to do. You should apply this homemade mixture around the affected varicose vein areas on your legs. Then you need to put your feet up for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes you need to wash off the mixture off your leg with cold water. If you want to get the desired effects you need to use this mixture at least 3 to 4 times a day. You should make some simple lifestyle changes. Make sure you take short walks every day. This will help you improve your blood circulation. And again, you need to use this mixture every day if you want to get the best results. If you suffer from this type of condition, varicose veins, then this is the right homemade remedy for you. We really hope you enjoyed this post and please share it with your friends and family. Thanks.